What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing some intercooler piping on this Mustang. Alright, you guys, so our intercooler piping finally showed up, and we are going to tackle this side first. So I need to go pretty much 180-degree bend around here and then up into the Pro Charger. But I already fitted this this tubing on here, and it's too long. It's going to hit that, there's a bar down there it's going to hit. So I need to shorten the length, and a good way to do that is use this little trick with a zip tie and wrap it around there, and then I'll get it as close to 90, just eyeballing it, and I'm just going to take a little chunk out of the middle here on each side. So I'm going to mark it with a zip tie, take the Sharpie around, and then cut it in the bandsaw. So. Alright, you guys, so I already showed you the trick with the zip tie, and I managed to get this where I wanted. There's no, you don't have to be an expert at this stuff. It's pretty much just, putting it in there and then kind of taking a guess at where you need to take material out or add material, and then getting your angles right. You just have to kind of play with it. There's no crazy math formulas that I use to figure out these angles or anything. It's just trial and error. So another great tip is this tape right here. It's a high temperature tape that you can use to tape the tube in place, and I like to use it for tacking the tube and also fitting up. So I'm going to put this in place and show you guys how it looks now. It's just great because you don't have to use two hands on two separate pieces. Since it's taped, I can just throw it in there, and now we got a little bit of space right there, and it's shooting where I want it to. So I'm going to go ahead and tack it in place, and it'll be good to go. Unfortunately, I don't have a whole bunch of time to sit here and walk through this whole process, so I'm just going to set you guys up on a little montage of me finishing this thing up. The intercooler piping came in a little bit late, so I am a couple days behind on this thing, and I want to get it back to the customer, so let's get after it.
Hey, hey, pretty baby, pretty baby. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Get down.